All right, so our leading gapper is SNAX, and already pre-market I'm not liking it. So I had this nice climb here, but then it just couldn't hold its level. It was just rejecting, and I don't know. I'm really not feeling it. And this is the only one that's popped up on the scans. Nothing else has popped up, just like the last 3 days already. So honestly, I might just close it up early. This is gonna be another one of those days. Um, I don't know. I don't see much. I don't see much for today. Something has to pop in the scans. It has to pop like within the 30 minutes I'm trading before I go to work. So I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. We have about a minute to the bell, not even, and I guess we'll see what the market has. But overall, this week has really sucked. So this week has just been so trash. I'm break even pretty much. If I am up, it's by a couple dollars, so it's not even definitely not a good week. Um, I'm close to 2 grand. I was even closer yesterday, but obviously I got a little ahead of myself, I guess, on those last 2 trades. So I don't know. I wanted to stop out with the $30 loss yesterday, and then I took one more trade, and that one more trade took basically $100 off in it, I guess overall. So really trash. So PTPI is our second leading gapper. BMRA is another one we have on watch. BMRA, same thing, just selling off here pre-market. It's not even. I wouldn't even say it's worth looking at. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. 10 minute there looks trash. BCTX, another one. So this is another one pre-market. This one actually had a couple nice climbs here. I like this one. Selling off hardcore here though. 880 all the way to 850. Not sure why that is. We'll keep it on watch. The 10 minutes crossing here. So another one that has a setup. SNAX popping on the scans. So popped up a view up there for a second. 5 minutes crossing on the MACD. Same with the 10 minutes. So not even worth watching right now, I guess. BMRA potentially for a 5 minute curl, but then again the 10 minutes crossing here as well. So I'm gonna wait on that. Sabs popping up. Actually, let me open up my Twitch chat here. Okay. So IRNT is another one popping on the scans right now. No volume. GOEV, this is one we've traded before. GOEV, I like the 5 and 10 minute. They both have a potential curl back to its pre-market high of 975. Sabs, again, popping on the scans. Super light volume though. Want to wait for more volume to come in. Big spreads, 20-cent spreads. GOEV, let's go back to this one. So not big spreads on GOEV, but it's rejecting this level already. IRNT. IRNT finally broke through view up here, so really nice to see. 10 minute looks really good. It's popping back above its MACD. 5 minute looks really good for a curl higher. I'm not really sure. It's a little bit choppy right now. It's about, I don't know, 5 to 10 cent spreads. I want to get in here, but at the same time, I don't want to push my luck on this one because it's still kind of choppy. High of this candle is 520. Hmm. So there's a drop, false break. I'm not too surprised. Let's go check our leading gap or make sure we're not missing anything. Snacks here. Again, 5 and 10 minute don't look the best to me. So I'm gonna skip this one. PTPI. PTPI doesn't look that bad. If it can break below, above VWAP. BCTX. Still trading lower. BMRA. Still want to wait for the 10 minute on this one. So the only one that we really like here is PTPI. So clearly I just missed that move right there. But this one's also not a big mover either. So 16 all the way to 23. That's not a big move. 7 cents. Is it worth taking a trade on it? I don't think so. Just because of what happened yesterday. I'd really want to see this one take off. I wouldn't want it to be like GMTX or GRTX, I think it was. So right there, and this whole climb was basically a 10-cent move, 10 to 12-cent move, something like that. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to trade it just because I don't want to risk what happened yesterday. If I do trade it though, if I do trade it, it would be for the 5-minute high break. It would need to hold this level, and I can get in for the high of 27. I remember saying I would start with 300 shares, so that's what we'll do today is 300 shares, go for the high of this candle on the 5-minute. Overall target would probably be 32, which I'm not super hyped about. There's 28. Huge bid there. Looks like they moved. I don't like that open at all. That's a very weird open. I don't know. So I'm not gonna even bother trading this one. Let's go back to our leading gapper. See what's going on there. Snacks curling back to VWAP here. I like it. I like how it's curling back to VWAP. I just don't like the 5-minute. 5-minute, I'm assuming is going to be a false break because the MACD's right there. 10-minute has potential, but this 5-minute would need to cross first, and then we can go ahead and see another curl back up. So already right here, it's going to break its 1-minute low is what it's looking like. So false break off of a $4 break. So double bottom there so far. Hasn't broken its previous low. IRNT. So we were watching this one earlier, then we saw that massive rejection. So now it's finally ripping. So this is the one to watch that says all the momentum right now. That's what it looks like. Let's see if we get a massive rejection here. So climbed up to 50. Now it's back at 33 on the bid, but 47 on the ask. I don't know. I don't like those spreads for sure. This one's a little wild for me. The spreads are too big. Tightened up here a bit, but look at that massive rejection all the way back down there. So I don't like the way this one's trading at all. You have a massive rip and then a massive false break. So we go back to GOEV. GOEV finally back above VWAP here. So the 5 and 10-minute look really good on this one. See if we can get some sideways consolidation, and then we can get in for the break of 950. Break a 950, or especially this level 945. We can break 945. So first resistance level, and then we got 950, and then we got all the way high up here, which is 975. See if I can get it on a dip here. I can pull back here a little bit, maybe like 36, 35. So there's 36 on the bid, not the ask. Kind of chopping around here. There's 35, but the way it's just chopping here, I'm not really sure about it. It's 33. So I would have expected an immediate break on this one for continuation, but I don't know. So we'll wait on it. Actually, this next 1 minute might do it, but I don't want to see this thing reject either. I do like the 10 minute for the 10-minute high to break. 10-minute high here is 47. But it's finishing pretty low. As soon as I see it hit 38, I'm going to buy in. Well, it wasn't filled. It wasn't filled at 38. But let's see where this goes, because it's just stuck at 39 right now. Moving to 40, that's 42. I have a 2-cent offset, so quick pop through 42, then it's all the way back to 38. So I would be break even on this one. It's too slow of a mover for me as well right now. Just not worth it, I'd say. So kind of good thing I didn't get filled here so far. I would have expected a lot better of a resolution. My overall goal would have been the break of this 5-minute high at least, or the 10-minute, which is 47. So we're right there beside 47. See if we can actually break here pretty soon. 44 now. Which even at 47, I would be selling at 45 if I sold exactly at 47. But it's all the way back to 38 now, so I would have most likely just sold out for a break-even trade here. PTPI. So PTPI didn't even pop in my scans here, but it made a really nice move there. I guess I missed it, so we're gonna go ahead and try and get in for the 10-minute high to break. I really like this setup here. Just want to see what it's gonna do. If it's gonna drop below this 1 minute low, or if it's gonna continue holding this level. If it holds this level, it's gonna look great. So far, it's holding pretty well. Just want to see it towards the last couple seconds. 43 has a big bid. 40 also has, a big seller. So does 40. So it's holding this level. I really like that it's holding so far. Oh, shoot. I forgot. I'm not trading PTPI. My bad. I forgot about that. Not a big enough mover for me. BCTX BMRA. SNAX. So SNAX popped up towards VWAP here. Now it's kind of rejecting. I still don't trust the 5-minute. Still nervous on the 5-minute. But I do like how it's popping up here towards VWAP. All we gotta see now is that it's capable of holding VWAP, which right now it's reclaiming it. I just don't want to see a rejection. So it double topped there for its 5-minute high. We have room all the way to 450 though, if it can actually hold this level. I'll keep it there actually. So I actually should have got in there. Jeez. That's alright. I'm gonna wait. I really don't want to get in for a false break, so I'm just gonna wait for the next 5-minute, and that's the move I'll make. So there popped to 420, and now it's back to 409, 410. Let's see if we get a breakthrough 4 here. I don't know. I see a lot of selling going through, but it's not even moving. I have a lot of support, I guess. So still holding this level so far, which is awesome to see. Let's see, is this candle gonna reject here? Low of this candle is 408. If it can hold up in this range though, if it can break this low, so 408 here, if it can break this low, I don't really want to see it break through 4, but if it can break that low, or let me see, 408, 408, yeah, or at least double bottom the way it is and just hold this level, I'm perfectly fine with that because the next 5 minutes gonna open, next 5-minute high is 420. So we can see a break of 420 and then a rip all the way to 450 potentially. So I'm liking this price action so far. It's holding this little range here. So I bought in there at 414. I was actually trying to get at 13, but that's okay. See, I might have bought in a little early. It hits 408, I might just stop out. So overall, I'm going for the 5-minute high. So it's 417. See a break of 420, and then I'll sell. Might do it in the next 1 minute. We'll see here. 16, 18, 19, 20. We get a break of 20 though. A lot of selling going through there. Jesus. Back to 408. I don't want to see that. 16. So we get a pop through 420 here. I'm in at 14. I just want to see this go to 20 second time, but this might just break the low. So if you get another pop up here. It's having a lot of trouble breaking this level though, which I don't like. Double topped there. Massive support at 409. It's just not moving. 12, 13. Kind of stuck here. Want to see, there you go, 15. Get some more buying going through. There's a lot of green going through, but not moving. 15, 16, 17. There we go, 18. Go for this next 1 minute high to break. Once it breaks 20, we're good, I'd say. All the way back to 12 now. I'm really not liking the price action on this one. I would have expected it to break already. The 16, 18. $17. Jesus, on 18. Here we go. 20. I'm selling at 20. Well, I couldn't even get filled at 20. 91 shares at 20. Awesome. So let's see if we can pop to 18 a second time. I honestly don't think so this time. I think it's just going to flop. There's 17. I don't want to have to cancel my order and take a double commission loss because that's just going to... that's going to suck. It's 15 again. See if it can pop to 18 here. It's 17. 14, 16. So I'm just gonna cancel it and we're gonna stop out here. Just gonna take that loss. This one, I don't know. I was expecting an immediate break and now it's just not doing it. If that pops to 18, you're joking with me. That's hilarious. Oh my god. That pisses me off. Look at that 420. If we get the break of 420 here, I'm gonna be even more pissed. Oh man, it's gonna piss me off so much. I waited a long time for this one to actually to make its move, and it never did it. We waited 3 or 4 minutes here basically, and it never made the move. It was just in this small range, and then I saw the MACD. It looked like it wanted to cross. I was like, okay, I'm gonna stop out here. It hit 420 3 other times and rejected that level. So triple topped at 420 here. I'm not feeling that price action, and now I had to stop out with a $15 loss with just 300 shares. That sucks. And it was all because of double commission here. $15 in commission. So break even trade and a loss in commissions. That actually sucks. Not even worth it. That's just that's just what it is. I mean, nothing else is popping on the scans. SNAX. This is the one we're watching. What am I doing? BTPI had a nice move, but I don't care for this one. BCTX. I guess. I mean, the 10 minutes having to set up here, it's curling is what it looks like. It's kind of finding a bottom at 8:30, but it's still below VWAP. I honestly don't feel like trading some below VWAP right now. BMRA, same situation. GOEV, choppy. So everything's kind of just choppy. I'm really not feeling it. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up here, I guess, because I don't know. I'm just already getting frustrated with SNAX. Like, what the hell? As soon as I sell, oh, it pops to 19. Like, you're joking. That's so annoying. So, I don't know. I'm kind of over this one already. I'm kind of just done with it. I was expecting the 5-minute high to break, just double topped here at 420. Oh, well, 423 by 420. It couldn't do it. Triple topped here on the 1 minute at least. So, I don't know. I guess that's it for me today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.